Hey there, and welcome to Pixelize Me. Let's see if I can get the Umbreon from the set of Terastal Festival, the new Pokemon set. Ooh, very nice. We got the SAR. Beautiful. Look at the texture on that. That's awesome. They weren't joking. These Japanese sets are just beautiful. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.